Hello beautiful people. Yes. I've got amazing news for you guys today. Starting with this video, I'm going to be giving one of my viewers a 5,000 Naira gift card to shop in one of my favorite stores. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and recreate any of my recipes, be it the one I'm about to show you right now or any of my previous recipes. Just recreate it, take a picture and post it on your Instagram story, and be sure to tag me so I can see it. And that's all you need to do. So for more information, just read the description box below. So today's video, oh my goodness, I have to like tell you guys, I'm so excited for this recipe because about 2 months ago I got an air fryer, which is a lifesaver, and I've been experimenting and doing so many things with it, one of which is experimenting with yam. Now, I love yam so much. If you know me, you know I love yam and I love fried yam. So in the past, I used to have deep fried yam, which obviously I knew wasn't super healthy. So I've found a perfect recipe to show you guys how to make fried yam using an air fryer, and it's equally as tasty as an actual fried yam. Like, take it from me, it is super tasty. So if you're planning on actually getting an air fryer or you have one, this is the video to watch. I also created a dish in my last video using my air fryer, so be sure to check that out. So starting with today's video, so we have some yam here and a bowl of water. What I'm just going to do is peel the yam and then slice it nicely for it to actually look like the shape of fries. So take that into the water and rinse it for about 2 to 3 times until all the dirt are gone. Next, you will want to cover up the yam with a lot of water and add this salt and sugar mixture that I made earlier on, and leave it to soak for 45 minutes. So now our yam is ready. After 45 minutes, I just drained out the liquid. Now I'm going to get some olive oil and just drizzle that into the yam. So the reason for olive oil is it actually makes it not too dry, makes it very juicy, if that makes sense. So just mix that up together. And anytime you're using an air fryer, just like an oven, you have to preheat it for about 5 minutes. So I've done that. I'm going to get my air fryer basket right now and just put all the yam into it. So just try and separate it in the basket as much as you can. We're going to bake this for about 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
A few moments later.
So my second snack for today is my oats banana muffins. I love this snack. I've made it so many times on my Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do right now. The first thing we're going to do is to get about 2 cups of rolled oats flour. If you already have oats flour, you don't need to do this, but what I'm just trying to do is blend the oats till it gives you like a flour texture. Once that is very smooth, the next thing I'm going to do is get my honey. So a trick to this honey, if you don't want the honey to stick to the bowl, lightly oil the bowl with some oil and then pour it in, and you will see it's just going to pour out so easily. Now we're going to blend this till it's very smooth and has like sort of like a batter texture, like a pancake texture. So we're just going to blend everything right now. And once it's blended, we're going to get our cupcake papers. You can find this in every supermarket or grocery store, and just pour in a reasonable amount into each and every one of them while they are sitting on the basket to the air fryer. So you can easily pop it into the air fryer without having to lift up the cupcake papers into the air fryer, which can get messy. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun as much as I did, and I hope you guys are going to recreate these recipes. And do not forget to stand a chance to win a 5,000 Naira gift card. Just read the description box below for all the information you need. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.